Do you ever notice that you're feeling really tense and tight in your upper body? If you're like me, it happens often. Here's a really great tip that you can do to help release that physical tension. I'm Krista Oakes, it's Monday, and here's your Mindful Monday, a tip or an inspiration for living a mindful life. If you notice all that tension in your head, in your neck, in your shoulders, simply bring your arms down to the side and lift the shoulders all the way up to your ears. I want you to make a really scrunchy face, and I want you to tighten the fists, making the whole upper body really tight. Take a deep breath in, hold it there for a moment, and when you're ready, let out an exhale. Let the shoulders drop down, let the face relax, let the arms shake out. Naturally, the tension is just going to dissolve from your body. I want you to do it with me right now. Inhale, lift the shoulders, tighten the face, tighten the hands, tighten your core, hold the breath tight and hold it, and then let it all go. And just notice if you feel more relaxed. Let's do it one more time together. Inhale. Tighten, don't worry about making a really funny face. It doesn't matter. Scrunch it up, make it as funny as you can, and then exhale and let it go. You'll notice all the muscles have a chance to just relax, and any worries and tension in your mind just tend to disappear. I hope you have a very relaxed day. Namaste.